Alito, sa HOHCHAFO Priscilla Williams, imakashi ano, HOHCHAFO chito ako istilano palache. Halons atak ishobli hecha ITB lupuli imayo istilano palache.
Halito, himak na taga na istilano palache gato. Shunshi ima in chungwa falaya.
Achafa, halong sathia lapcho ahoba, hichanapua in la koblet ayimpa. Leeches are a kind of worm that bite and feed off of other animals.
Tuklu kaniomi kat isis ishko chome hikash kaniomi kat kyo. Some mostly drink blood, but some do not.
Tochina, halos mo machomikat. Shukati nani luksi hicha okpuchosh ayimpa kakosh. Hataganokia. Most prefer to feed off frogs, fish, frogs, and ducks, not humans.
Oshta, halos isis shunka ato tigabano akshopan inuti ishit koblet shunka cha ishko. Leeches that suck blood first chew on the skin with their teeth, then suck and drink it. Tatapi, hataki shubli, yat shunshi kyo, higash na pua chipunta, yagni kikmat uka aamaya, hicha hakshop kallo shale. Snails are not bugs, but are small animals. They live on land or in the water and carry a hard shell.
Hanali, hatagi shubliyat sa lahat ayat tukmat, imanuayat halasbe. A snail travels very slowly and its trail is slimy.
Tuklu hatak yoshobliya bikini amaya kat buk hitcha hatcha anunka hitcha aboli hashtap notaka asha.
Eh,
Snails that are native to these lands live in creeks, rivers, and under the forest leaves.
Otochina, hatak yoshobliyat pagene amaya kyokat, o sapushi hicha bok ima eskule hicha nawaya okponiche. Snails that are not native to these lands go into gardens and waterways and damage the plants.
oh me, ma, yaka yaka shoshi imma anupa, bug-themed words.
Achafa, hatak yoshobli, snail.
Tuklu halons, yalons, yasunla leech.
Tuchino, lupcho, earthworm.
Oshta, kubli, tunibo.
Tatapi, ayimpa, to feed off.
Hanali, isis, blood.
Tuklu ukfuchosh duck.
Montuchina, shukati, frog.
Chakali, luksi, turtle.
Ukole, estis inhina, estis akshish, estis ayanali, blood veins, arteries.
Awachafa, uka, water.
Awa tuklu yakni land.
Awatuchina, okla, people.
Awa ushta, shunka, to suck or inhale.
Napunaglo, chipunaglo lache. Halusat yakni, oka hicha, ukla atia katet apilache.
How do leeches help the land, water, and people?
Haploli ano, halonsa, uka ya litia akma, or apilana, igma, halons lawa ishpisagma, uka bilinka, hacha book, lawa, halons lawa ishpisagma, uka mad achugma, oglachi haglali.
Alikcher halusa katiche hush, hagnip apilat masalache.
Halong sa to, nana alikchi apila chana kato, I salava itukchi ako, ogla okin shistigbi atugmya. Nata plastic surgery ache, yomi ishidugmat, kanat I tissue ache, anuka fuka yomi mat. Infection ache, yomi ishana dugumika, halong sa Istuglamitchigmato isisat yanali kanimiho ichonkaskikma yomi achugmat topulanda gommiga apilan chanamya kitukmano isisat yanalikikmat abana mya makache harugosh halonsat plastic surgery arugmat michitaligma apilaga achukmamya herosh pi nata skin graft ache yomi michigma halonsogla la poche kanomiga magogmato isisat yachukmat yanalajimya cause nata yumigma kobuligma itukchimat astugmat apila chimya magache anote ibishakni kya kubafarugmat magmago apila chana mya magache isisat nishkobuarugmat yanalit isisat achukmat yandug mago yummegigma halonsma ila pachigmat abashama yama apilanche mya isisat yanalajinga achukmat Egin infection igishohosh yumigma apila chana mya magache hero yumiga blood clot ache yumi ishachkiuga apila chana mya ho magache hero mago pihatchamanole
Oh, me, yakoke, achukma. Anno pa veteran, kadichihosh, chata imagachana.
Hemagene an anupa ma uglata shole ma ayatibi sapuli uglachira higa veteran mishale kanat veteran achugma ayatibi sapuli illa kya heraga kanichi imagachana ishikana gma ishpimpaya gma itagachana tasholema. Oh man, elapad hapin chata anupa washoha hemak hashi ano ishnupa ya itibi sapuli initak. Itibi tapuli initak ishtanupa yomega kilitamanopale. Amalika, America.
Ayitibi, Topoli, veteran.
Hey, to be the bully in a tuck Veterans Day.
Bosua stripes.
Fichik Forchik Star
Iknukshupo nukuya iksha to be brave.
Sanko, to be strong.
Shampa, flag,
Sita ribbon.
Pashka Warrior
Yakni land.
Yakoke, thank you.
Ome higma achafa anupa muma ara nakne. It can also be used to be strong, brave, or courageous. Ome igma like we said before, ayatabi thapoli it's not inclusive to all veterans. Hiraga anupa ila imagachanaga ishikanagma ishpimpayagma toshulima itagachana, so we can include all veterans in the translation. Iraga ishba beniliraga ichi yakoke HOHCHAFO CHITO HASHI pana magilla Facebook shiagma. You can download these resources igma ichi yakoke Chahta no pa ikapin kani okya
Oof
tough,
tof